So this is another example to write the data into the file. But here, what I'm doing is like I'm writing the data into the file in a append mode. So whenever I am adding new text, it will just go in append into that particular text file. So what I'm doing, I'm writing this file, that is append data.txt, and file writer, I am passing this file name with true. So if I would go to this particular class implementation, so you could see there is a method. See, there's a method fill a file writer. It has file name and the boolean append mode as a true or false. That so you could write that file append mode. So, and what I am doing is like I'm getting the argument and appending it with the slash n. So what it will do after appending the text, what it will do is like it will just put the next line, and I'm closing the file. So if I will compile this, Java write example, and if I will say hello, you could see there it is appended with the data hello. Now if I'm again calling this Java, I need to, can I refresh it? No, it's not that. So I could open it again. It is printing or writing the next line, that is Java. So this is how you could uh, you know write the file in the append mode using this class.